How to refund on StockX. So basically, as you can see here on their help center, they says that as you can see, StockX is a live marketplace and prices fluctuate based on supply and demand in real time. As such, once a bid and an ask are matched, an order is created and we are unable to offer returns, exchange, or swaps. So basically, you cannot do that. So you cannot get a refund, but if there is some problems, maybe as you can see, while we cannot accept returns or exchanges, every purchase on StockX is backed by their buyer promise. So as you can see, if they make a mistake, like they ship to the wrong address and they incorrectly verify an item, as you can see, they make it right. So basically, you're gonna have to contact them in order to fix the problem if it's any of these two problems. Now, if you want just to get a refund because you don't like the shoe, basically you cannot do that. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.